Hi, in the previous lesson you learned how to conjugate verbs and adjectives in the past tense, and today I'll teach you how to conjugate nouns and pronouns in the past tense. This is very easy. All you need to know is just these two suffixes, yot and iot. You can think of yot and iot as was and were in English. Let's take a look at how we can use them. You see, in English, in most cases, we put was and were before a noun, unless there is a question word in the sentence. Whereas in the Korean language, we attach yot and iot to nouns, pronouns, and question words. Pause the video and try to translate these sentences on the right-hand side into Korean. Okay, this is the solution. You can pause the video again to compare your translation with mine. 그는 제 친구였습니다. 저것은 제 가방이었습니다. 어제는 토요일이었습니다. 그들은 아이들이었습니다. See how I use the past tense suffix with the plural form particle 들. 들 is always attached directly to a noun or a pronoun. If you want to attach another grammatical construction to a noun in the plural form, then you need to attach it to the plural form particle 들, okay? The thing I bought on Tuesday was a watch. 제가 화요일에 산 것은 시계였습니다. 산 것은 is the thing I bought. We haven't covered this topic yet, so just ignore it for now, okay? The reason why I use this grammatical construction, which you haven't learned yet, is because I wanted to show you how you can use yot and iot suffixes in a little more complex sentences like this one. And in the last example, 그것은 무엇이었습니까? You can see how you can use the yot and iot suffixes with the question words. While translating these sentences into Korean, you must have already figured out when we use yot and iot suffixes. If a noun or a pronoun ends with a vowel, use the suffix yot, 친구였습니다, and 시계였습니다. And if it ends with a consonant, use the suffix iot, 가방이었습니다, 토요일이었습니다, 아이들이었습니다, 무엇이었습니까? Today's lesson is quite easy. I'll give you a list of nouns so that you could practice. Try to conjugate these nouns in the past tense and write down your answers in the comments section. You can even make complete sentences using these nouns.